Hi, I'm so glad that all of you could be here with us today. My name is Pamela Ehrenberg, and I am the author of Queen of the Hanukkah Dosas. One of my favorite things about holidays has always been the chance to share stories with people that I love, whether it's stories about things that happened a long, long time ago, or stories like this one that could take place in our world today. But one of the other best things about holidays is the chance to share delicious foods and drinks with people that we love too. And the family at the end of Queen of the Hanukkah Dosas, they enjoy a delicious drink called mango lassi as part of their holiday Hanukkah celebration. And so we're going to have a chance to make mango lassi here together today. We're going to use a really easy recipe that I found on a website called simplyrecipes.com. It has only 4 ingredients that we have to include and then some optional extras if we like. So we're going to use yogurt and milk, and we're going to add some mango and some honey into ours. You'll see that for the mango, if where you live, depending what time of year you're watching this, if you can find a nice ripe mango in your grocery store, you could buy the mango, peel it, and cut it into nice little cubes. Or in a lot of grocery stores in the freezer section, you can buy it already cut up for you. And then it also does the job of the ice cubes of making your mango nice and cold and refreshing that way too. So we're going to put all of these ingredients into the blender. We're going to measure out 1 cup of the yogurt. And one great thing I like about this recipe is that if you're not quite exact in some of your measuring, and some of it might spill a little bit, that's okay because it's still going to taste delicious. We're also going to add in 1/2 cup of milk. I'll let you see that pour right in here. And we'll add 1 cup of the mango. See some of the ice going right in there as well. And we're going to put in 4 teaspoons of honey. I find that a little bit more sweet than you might like, so you can really decide how much sweetness tastes good for you and your family. You can always add a little more later if you decide not to add the whole 4 teaspoons in right now. So we put all those things into the blender, and if you want, you can take a spoon and kind of stir it up a little bit because it'll blend more easily if there's enough liquid. Kind of mix all the way throughout in there. And then we'll put the pieces to the blender here. Put the lid on. That's when it gets a little bit loud. So if you're not the one pushing the blender and you want to put your hands over your ears if it's too loud for you, that's okay too. And you can decide, you can kind of see the mango chunks floating around, and you'll see when it is looking nice and smooth. But when it looks like a smooth and delicious drink, then you can pour some in a cup for yourself, pour some for somebody that you want to share it with. And if you like, you can add just a little taste of a spice called cardamom to give it a little extra taste of something wonderful. So put a little taste up at the top, and then you'll sip and enjoy.